When it comes to making electronics, precision is, well, it's everything. Just one misplaced drop of solder paste, and you can ruin an entire circuit board. So today, we're going to take a really close look at a machine that's designed to prevent exactly that, the SP-300 screen printer. We're going to break down how it works and how it hits such amazing accuracy, all based on what the manufacturer themselves have told us. All right, here it is, the Southern Machinery SP-300. Now, this is a semi-automatic screen printer, and it's an absolutely critical piece of the puzzle for high-precision printed circuit board, or PCB, assembly. And its whole job, its entire reason for being, is to lay down that perfect foundation for every single component that's going to go on that board. Okay, but what does a screen printer actually do? Well, it meticulously applies solder paste through a stencil, kind of like screen printing a t-shirt, but onto a blank circuit board. Think of it as creating the perfect sticky little footprint for every tiny electronic component. The quality of this one step, it can literally make or break the entire board. So here's what we've got on tap. We'll start with a quick intro, then we'll dive right into its precision and performance. After that, we'll look at how it's designed for the person actually using it, get into the nitty-gritty tech details, and finally, show you how to learn more. So, what is the SP-300 at its core? It's really designed to be that sweet spot between doing things by hand and going fully robotic. It offers that high precision you need, but within a semi-automatic workflow. All right, let's get to the good stuff. What really makes this machine tick? Its precision and performance. For any screen printer, it all comes down to accuracy and consistency every single time. So the spec that just jumps off the page is its printing accuracy, plus or minus 0.02 millimeters. To put that in perspective, that's about half the thickness of a human hair. In a world where microelectronics just keep getting smaller and smaller, that level of precision isn't just a nice to have, it is absolutely non-negotiable. And you don't get that kind of precision by accident, right? It's all built on a foundation of really high-quality parts. The documentation points to an SMC rail, which is like a perfectly smooth track that gets rid of any vibration, a Panasonic motor to keep the speed rock steady, and a really solid steel squeegee base to give you that consistent, even pressure all the way across the board. And this is where you see it all come together. On the left, that's the Panasonic motor. That's the powerhouse, right? It provides that smooth, consistent speed you need, and it drives that beefy steel squeegee assembly you see on the right. It's that combination that makes sure the solder paste goes on with steady, accurate pressure time and time again. Okay, so performance is one thing, but a machine's real value is also about how easy it is to use and maintain every day. Because, let's be real, a machine that's super precise but a total nightmare to use, that's not efficient at all. And that's a huge question for anyone running a production line, right? So let's take a look at how the SP-300's design actually handles this, according to what the company tells us. So one of the coolest things for usability are these controls right here. See those knobs? They let an operator make these super tiny, precise tweaks to the printing table. We're talking left to right, front to back, and even up and down. This just makes setting up for different jobs so much faster. And it doesn't stop there. The SP-300 has a bunch of other features that are all about making the operator's life easier. It's got a clear microcomputer control with an LCD screen and a really simple interface. It even has a built-in counter to keep track of production, and it's flexible enough to handle both single and double-sided boards. They've also really thought about maintenance, which can be a huge headache. The squeegee base is designed to lift up to a 45-degree angle. Now that might sound simple, but it's a game changer. It gives you the access you need to easily pop out the squeegee and clean the screen stencil, which is something you have to do all the time to keep the print quality high. Okay, time to get nerdy with the numbers. Let's look at the core specs that really define what this machine can do. These are the details that tell you if it'll actually fit into your workflow and handle the products you're making. So here's the spec sheet straight from the source. We already talked about that incredible accuracy, but look at the printing area. 320 by 500 millimeters. That gives you a really good idea of the biggest board it can take. It can also handle PCB thicknesses from a really flexible 0.2 millimeters all the way up to 2.0 millimeters. And from a practical standpoint, it runs on a standard 220 volt supply and weighs in at about 250 kilograms. So, if you're thinking this machine might be what you're looking for, the manufacturer gives you a few different ways to get some more info. You can check out their main website at smthelp.com, or just shoot them a direct email. They're also on social media, like LinkedIn and Facebook, and they even say you're welcome to visit their factory over in Shenzhen.
And yeah, just to be clear, all this info comes straight from the folks who make it, Southern Machinery.
And that really leaves us with one final question to think about for your own setup. In a business where literally every hundredth of a millimeter matters, is a machine with this level of precision the next big step your production line needs to take?